So guys, I think because of lockdown, I can't get a haircut now, and my hairs are getting out of control. So I think I should start wearing caps from now in my videos. I think that looks great, huh? So hey guys, today I'm going to show you some easy light painting photography ideas that you can try at home to create some dope photos like this. And believe me, you don't need anything expensive, or you don't need to go out for something to create some photos like this. Let's get started. So guys, if you remember this video of mine, easy light painting photography ideas, or you can say hacks. So in that video I have shared with you a very easy light painting photography idea by using Instagram doodle mode in your mobile phone to create something like this. But today I am going to show you some new patterns to get some amazing results. So guys, we are going to use the same technique that we used in that video. Like if your long exposure is around 4 seconds, so you will illuminate your subject for 1 second by using an external mobile flash, and then for 3 seconds you will use your mobile phone to light paint your subject. And also guys, I'm going to use a glass table in this video so that I can get that light painting's reflection and create something different. So guys, our first pattern is this. You can create something similar like this in your Instagram doodle. So create it and save it. Now let me show you the result that I got from this pattern. Isn't that image came out was amazing, huh? Now this second one is more amazing. This one is from my friend Amit Mohide, who watched my video and tried some patterns for creating some light painting photos, and he used this pattern to create some crystals. So let me show you the result I got from this. That was also so amazing, right? Now guys, look, this will look so easy because I'm showing you in that way, but when you will try it, it will be like so frustrating. So you will have to be patient for doing this. Try easily, see if you are light painting from middle, because it takes a hell lot of time. Now I have another for you guys. Now the third one is this pattern, and by using it you will get some results like this. Now guys, let me share you a trick with you guys. If you want different type of colors in your photos, but the same pattern, you don't have to light paint with different colors pattern. You can just use the hue saturation slider in Photoshop or Lightroom, and you can change your colors of the pattern from there. So guys, this was today's video. If you want to check more home photography videos, it's on my channel, or you can find those links in the description. So you must check them out because they are also great and they are also cheap, that you can try at your home. So hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to make more videos like this in this quarantine, because I don't have any other job than this. So see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, Peter McKinnon style. Peace.